Good morning students. Today we are going to start our second chapter of social studies. The name of our chapter is the Northern Mountains. So Northern Mountains are the mountains which are stretched across the north borders of India. The Northern Mountain is mainly constituted of three types of mountain. First is the Himalayan, second is Karakoram, and the third one is Purvanchal hill ranges. As further, Himalayan ranges is divided into three categories. The first is called the Greater Himalaya. The other name for Greater Himalaya is Himadri. The second one is Middle Himalaya. The other name for Middle Himalaya is Himachal. And then the third, the Outer Himalaya. The name for the Outer Himalaya is Shivali. So the Himalaya region is the first mountain found in the northern mountain areas. So Himalayan ranges, stretches from Jammu Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, and the highest point in the Himalayan mountain is Mount Everest, which is 8,488 meter high, and it is located in Nepal. So this is about the northern mountains, which have a distribution of three types of mountains. The first mountain is the Himalayan, the second mountain is the Karakoram, and the third mountain is Purvanchal hill ranges. Then we further discuss about the different type of Himalayas that we have discussed, that there are distribution of Himalayan into three ranges. First one is Himadri, second one is Himachal, and the third one is Shivali. We will discuss about the Karakoram and Purvanchal ranges later on, but first we discuss about the different features of these types of Himalayan ranges: Himachal, Himadri, and Shivali. Yes, students, with the help of this table, we can compare the three types of Himalayas: the Greater Himalayas, Middle Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas. Right? So first difference between these three is about the location. So Greater Himalayas lies in the extreme north of the northern area, and Middle Himalayas lies toward the south of Greater Himalayas, and Outer Himalayas lies toward the south of Middle Himalayas. As these three are located with each other, but the Greater Himalayas lies to the extreme north, and the Middle Himalayas lies toward the south of Greater Himalaya, and the Outer Himalayas lies toward the south of Middle Himalaya. Then when we are talking about the height, so the Greater Himalaya is the highest one. The Middle Himalayas are lesser than the Greater Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas are lesser than the Middle Himalayas. So next, type of mountain in Greater Himalayas, the type of mountains are found, they are mostly covered with snow throughout the year, and in the Middle Himalayas the slopes of the mountains are covered with forest, and there we get the wood like pine, fir or deodar. And in Outer Himalayas, the slopes of the mountains are covered with forest, and there are many animals which are found in the Outer Himalayas. As Outer Himalayas also have different type of wildlife sanctuaries, which are named as Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand. Jim National Corbett Park in Uttarakhand in Outer Himalayas. And then rivers, as the Greater Himalayas are the Himalayas which have lots of snow. So there exist the glaciers. Glaciers are the river which is formed after the cooling of water. So glaciers are found in the Greater Himalayas, and the rivers which are originated from these glaciers are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra. So the source of river is the glaciers that are found in the Greater Himalayas, which originate these rivers. So this was the basic idea behind the three type of Himalayas. One is the Greater, Middle, and the Outer. After watching the video, your another doubts can be cleared. Okay.
Yes, students, with the help of this video, you came to know about the northern mountains. As we all know that the northern mountains stretches across the northern border of India, The northern mountains are also called the Greater Himalayas, which are located in north and northeast part of India. Here you can see there that in the north and in the northeast area, this whole area is covered by the Himalaya, and the meaning of Himalaya is ice home, so a home of ice. So the northern mountains cover a distance of 2500 km from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh in east. Here you can say the distance between these two is 2500 km, and the northern mountains are wide on west and narrow on east, and this is made up of two mountain range. First one is Himalayan range and the second one is Karakoram range. So is upper part is Karakoram range and here is the Himalayan range. Then the Himalayan range can be further divided into the Greater Himalayas, which is known as Himadri, Middle Himalayas known as Himachal, and the Lower Himalayas, which are known as Shivalik. So here are the three ranges. So the first one here is the Himadri, the second one here is Himachal, and the third one here is Shivalik. So from this image you can came to know about these three type of mountain ranges. So first we discuss about the Greater Himalayas, which is also known as the Himadri. So we discuss about the different aspects of the Greater Himalayas. So first one, the northernmost range of the Himalaya is the Greater Himalaya. This is the highest range and always covered with snow and has many glaciers. So what are the glaciers? Glaciers are the big and slow moving ice bodies. When these glaciers move down to warmer region, they melt, giving water to rivers. So glaciers are the source of providing water to the rivers. So this is a glacier, and Greater Himalayas has many glaciers which provide water to many rivers, right? So here you can see the images of glaciers. Then world's highest peak, Mount Everest, is in Nepal, which is found in Greater Himalaya. Godwin Austen, which is also known as K2, and Kanchenjunga, which is in India, and Dholgiri, which is in Nepal, and Annapurna, which is also in Nepal, Nanda Devi, which is in India. So these are the different ranges which are found in the Greater Himalayas. So these were the people who climbed to the Mount Everest in 1953. Edmund Hillary. In 1984, Bichendri Pal was the first Indian woman, and in Santosh Yadav was the first woman in the world, and it is the tallest mountain of each continent. Here you can see. Then the second come the Middle Himalayas, which are found after the Himadris. The other name for Middle Himalayas is Himachal. So the Middle Himalayas are also known as Himachal. It lies south of Himadri. This range has beautiful hill stations as Shimla, Kullu, Mussoorie and Nainital. This mountain scope covers with thick forest of pine, oak and chir and deodar. So this was about the Middle Himalayas. Then comes the Lower Himalayas, and the other name for Lower Himalayas is Shivalik. First one Himadri, second one Himachal, and the third one is Lower Himalayas or Shivalik. These are the southernmost range of the Himalayas and the lowest range of Himalayas. It has a thick forest due to heavy rainfall, and the foothold of Shivalik is called Terai. Many wildlife sanctuaries and national parks are there in this Shivalik range. One is the Corbett National Park, which is in Uttarakhand. Here, Dudhwa National Park, which is in Uttar Pradesh.
Students, so after watching the video, what we came to know about that northern mountains have three main parts. One is Himalayan, then the second one is Karakoram, and the third one is Himalaya, right? We further discuss that Himalayan is divided into three parts. First one is Himalayan, then Himachal, and last one is Shivalik. So that was all about today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day, students.